hard start kit. So you'll see a lot of manufacturers will add starter kits on the units, Yorks and Amanas, and Goodman does not add them. I've seen a lot of new units sit and the compressor hum and not start.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We're up on the roof again, doing preventative maintenance. Got 2 units together here, both Goodmans. Gonna be checking them all. Pulling disconnects, and this one's got a little different disconnect here. There we go. Okay, so 2 of them today. A little different size on each one. Let's take a look here. Hard start kit. Should be kind of interesting. Let's take a look next to it. Looks like that one's a 40/5. Goodman units. 40/5. This one as well. Okay, well, discharge capacity. Capacitor holds the charge in it even after the power is disconnected, so it's kind of the first order of business here.
After pulling the disconnects or turning off the breakers.
Both of these have compressor protectors. I'm going to remove those just to test this better when I'm finished, and then I'll re-add them after. Kind of wanted to do a few tests on these. Okay, been getting a lot of questions or comments about Okay, so I'm going to test these out. This one's a 40/5. These are commons. Fan, firm, and the other common. Can. Should be 5. Got 4.48. It's a little weak. Common and Herm. Looking for 40. Got 26. It's also weak. 26. 26.2. So that's bad. So your 40/5 here. 40/5. And got Herm on the right. Common. Center. Modify that a little bit. There we go. Okay. Nice and tight. Span. Now we're all in there. Okay. Check the one next to it. I'm going to be adding a hard start kit, but I wanted to explore a little bit on that one. Check this one. Okay. This one has a hard start kit. And 40/5. Here's the 40. 39.2, so that's good. Up to 2 would be different with the difference. And the 4.97, that's good too. So we're good there. That's their kit. And the commons in the center. Herms on the right. Pans on the left. And the hard start kit. I'm going to pull the hard start kit. So I'm going to run this without the hard start kit. And same with the other one. I'm going to do a couple measurements. We're going to test voltage. Going to test amp draw. Get a wire handy for that. I've got the red wire here. I actually want the purple wire for the common. It's just important that we only get one wire, so here's the purple one for that. Okay. The amp draw. And then I'm also going to test temperature. I'm going to test on both these two units with the hard start and then without the hard start, so to get the differences. Laser thermometer in the bag. Is that test here? Yep. Okay, got a laser thermometer, so we can just take a little experiment here on these two units. Start with this unit here. Okay, I'm going to plug the disconnect back in on both of these. And we're going to test this. A couple different things, okay? And the tricky part is I have to push and hold the contactor in to do this. But let's see what our temperature is. 66.5 degrees. 71, 66.5. Let's go right at the top. 73. Checking this one. 73. Both pretty close. 75 there. Depending on where we get it. That's that. Okay. And then the trickiest one is our voltage. So this one I've got volts AC, and we're going to measure from common to Herm. Okay. So this is definitely a bit tricky. Let's see how I can make this better. Hopefully that's in the shot. Okay, here we go. I'm going to push in the contactor. Started right out. Measuring the voltage, we got 351, 350 basically. Okay, now I'm going to switch and do an amp draw reading on the purple wire that goes down to the compressor. I got 0.73. I think that's not really a good read. Let's try the yellow start wire. 0.01. Also doesn't seem right. Try the common wire. 5.89 amps. On the yellow start wire, I got 5.43 amps. Okay, taking the temperature read. .69 degrees. On the top, I got 70 degrees. This is a tricky one. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to discharge the capacitor. Plug in the hard start kit. I'm going to wait 5 minutes to actually redo that. Okay, hopefully that's visible. Here it goes. I'm just going to maybe take off the hard start kit for now, and we'll retest that with the hard start after. Okay. Testing the voltage. Got 351. Okay. Hear the compressor kind of struggling. Sounds like to me. I'm going to go amps AC. Check the start wire. Got 0.29. red wire, I got 3.9 reps. But you could hear the compressor there. Sounded a little odd to me. Okay, now I'll re-pull the disconnects to make this safer, and I'll re-discharge and hook up the hard start kit. Pulling the disconnects. No, I forgot to take the temperature read on that when it was running. It's definitely not a... Anyway, okay, so discharge the capacitor and then add the hard start kit. I'm going to do the same on both of these units. Okay, here's the hard start kit. And on this unit, hard start kit. So you'll see a lot of manufacturers will add starter kits on the units, Yorks and Amanas, and Goodman does not add them. I've seen a lot of new units sit and the compressor hum and not start on my units, so I've been adding hard start kits. It's definitely some different schools of thought on that. My opinion is they help the system. I'm trying to do a little experiment here today and comparison, see if we see any actual difference, but just because I don't see it doesn't mean it's not there, you know. That's how it is. Like, it's known from germs. Not my favorite kind of disconnect here. I don't really like these as much as I like these a lot better. There we go. It's in good. Okay. Okay, got the hard start kit all hooked up there. And now I'm going to try again here to measure this up. A little tricky, to say the least. There we go. Okay, so I gotta get my chopsticks ready and try to measure this. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Voltage up on amps AC. Switch to volts AC. Come on, chopsticks. Alright. Showing 347, 348. Okay. Now I'm going to switch to amps AC and grab the. Got 5.5, 0.73. And now I'm going to switch to the temperature. Got 63, 67, 69. Seems to be less temperature. Again, that's not a perfect science. It's just me testing it and trying to see any difference. And definitely okay, here's the same test on the next unit. Let's get our voltage test. Switch this around to my bigger deal. Chopsticks. Alright, we got 348.6, 347.3. Okay, there's that. Let's go to amps AC. On the yellow wire, we got 5.34 volts. On the red, 5.35 volts. Okay, and our temperature. 69 69.5, 73. So hard to see much of a difference, but listening to the compressor, you can hear the difference there. Much smoother, much kinder, and it's on a, I wouldn't call this new unit, but it's about, compared to my friendly Janitrolls over there, it's much newer, maybe 5 years old. 6/10/2008, so it's 10 years old on the manufacturer. So, all right, so we're all done there. Now I'm going to put my little dust covers back on real carefully. There's live power on the bottom. Right here we'll have 220, so it's very dangerous. So I'm just going to be real careful here not to touch the bottom or it'll get a jolt. Okay. Then the dust cover back in. Alright, all set there. Same on the other one. These just keep dust from getting in the contacts. Alright, now ready for the covers to go back on. We're all set there. Added a hard start kit to this unit. And maybe I can pull the different sounds. You know, you couldn't see much difference in the test. It was interesting to do the test. I would say it's inconclusive of anything on the test, but on the ear test, just listening to the sounds. So what I'll do is I'll put side by side, one after the other, the difference in the sound. Try to of each unit.
If there's a demand for that, I'll do that on a separate video. You got to let me know in the comments below if you want to see that and or hear that.
Tricky. And wind up using the screw.
See a further comparison.
Or pull it into its correct spot. And sometimes that's all you got.
I'd like to put that in a separate video, so it's a little bit more complicated. I did notice about a 4-degree difference, 4
right underneath the
point difference
there.
in the voltage, and also did notice the difference in the sound. So perhaps I'll put a more conclusive test comparison in the video again if there's demand for that. But you gotta let me know in the comments below that you want to see that. If not, I
how it goes sometimes. Huh?
I won't bother to do that.
Try not to get frustrated with it. Keep them cool and get it. All right. You can see this one's a little off. Try to. There we go. Use the screw to straighten it out. Okay. And the next one. So this is a model GSC 130-301CA on this Goodman unit. The 40/5 is held up. I'm not sure when this one was replaced. Kind of interesting to know. There we go, 2 units up and running. Beautiful day. It's about 72 degrees, 74 degrees outside. say? Nice Palm Springs day. All right.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Are you held by the cells of your flesh? Are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. He said, it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. Son of man came to seek and save that which was lost. He came to show sinners the way out through his cross. Repent and believe and be born again. Ask and receive as God does send the Spirit of truth into your heart, cleansing your conscience, giving you a clean start. You are in a battle, surrounded by the angels at war. Do you hear the knocking?